Sir,
Hey.
Namaste. How
Namaste.
are you?
Absolutely fine.
Happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day to you also.
How do you find your exhibit area?
Oh, it's great. Actually, a lot of people are coming in, a lot of footfalls. They are very enthusiastic about learning technology, whatever new product that we have shown. I hope, I wish this converts into very good business for all of us. But meeting people here is very joyful basically. We know people, they come here, we know their business, we understand how they are doing it and what kind of support they need. And we are here to support them all the while.
So, can we
that's
say it is trending technology or trending ace?
It is trending technology with ACE. Right?
Great.